Students, let's compare fractions and rearrange the fractions in descending order. That is from big to small. Let's take the next example. 1 by 8, 5 by 12, 2 by 6 and 3 by 4. Since the numerators and the denominators are different, we have to first convert them into equivalent fraction with same denominator. So first step is to find the LCM of the denominator 8, 12, 6 and 4 using the division method. We will first divide by 2. 2 multiplied by 4 is equal to 8, so write down 4. 2 6 times is 12, so write down 6. 2 3 times is 6, so you'll write down 3. And 2 2 times is 4. Again, we will divide it by 2. 2 into 2 is equal to 4, so write down 2. 2 multiplied by 3 is equal to 6. We cannot divide 3, so bring down 3. And 2 1 times is 2, so write down 1. Again, we will divide it by 2. 2 1 times is 2. 3 cannot be divided, so bring down 3. Again, bring down 3 and bring down 1. Finally, let's divide it by 3 now. Bring down 1. 3 1 times is 3. Again, 3 1 times is 3 and bring down 1. So we have got the LCM of the denominators as 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3, which is equal to 24. Since the LCM is 24, we will convert these fractions into equivalent fractions with denominator 24. The first fraction, 1 by 8. 8 multiplied by 3 gives me 24. So we will multiply the numerator and the denominator by 3. Next is 5 by 12. 12 multiplied by 2 is equal to 24. So we will multiply the numerator and the denominator by 2. Then 2 by 6. 6 multiplied by 4 gives me 24. So multiply the numerator and denominator by 4. And the last fraction, that is 3 by 4. 4 multiplied by 6 is equal to 24. So multiply the numerator and denominator by 6. We will get fractions with denominator 24 now. The first one, 1 multiplied by 3 is equal to 3. So 3 by 24. Second fraction, 5 multiplied by 2 is equal to 10. Hence 10 by 24. The third fraction, 2 multiplied by 4 is equal to 8. Hence 8 by 24. And the last fraction is 3 multiplied by 6 is equal to 18. Hence 18 by 24. Now we will arrange these fractions in descending order. That is from big to small. Since the denominators are the same, bigger the numerator, greater the fraction. Here 18 by 24 is the greatest fraction since the numerator is big. Next we have 10 by 24, which is the next big fraction, followed by 8 by 24, and the smallest is 3 by 24. Now we have arranged the fractions in descending order from big to small. Now let's finally conclude the sum with the answer. 18 by 24 is same as 3 by 4. Hence the biggest fraction is 3 by 4. 10 by 24 is same as 5 by 12. The next fraction is 5 by 12. 8 by 24 is same as or equal to 2 by 6. So 2 by 6 is the next fraction. And the smallest fraction, 3 by 24, is equal to 1 by 8. Hence 1 by 8 is the smallest fraction. Now we have rearranged the fractions from big to small. The greatest fraction is 3 by 4 and the smallest fraction is 1 by 8 here. Students, I hope you have understood this sum well. You need to practice more such sums.